My name is Vivek, and today I'll describe the industry's regulations. So now I will prepare only for 4.0, but we are continuing with the 5.0 also. So today I start with the industry 4.0 what is matter. So first we need to know about industry regulations. So when past many years ago, our cultures are doing only handwork and very low production in every industry. So in 1760, in 18th century, we take first industrial regulations, which is incurred our we describe about machines and technology, new technology, which change our living standard and productivity in huge manner. It is called one industry.
In an unimaginable way.
Unimaginable way. This is called industry revolution, where we move forward from handicraft to machinery. So, in my next slide. Industry revolution. There is industry revolution first end of the 18th century, where we introduce our machinery product.
What is the difference between evolution and revolution?
Revolution is like revolt, Bhagavat, like revolt.
Kranti.
Revolt. But evolution is general process of growing. Evolution.
Revolution means.
Revolution, revolt means to, like Bhagavat karna. 1857 revolt, we learned in history from school. That is revolt. Evolution is slow process of growing, developing, evolving. That is.
So today I talk about industries 1.0. End of this is happened in end of 18th century. Then beginning of industry 2.0, beginning of the 20th century, where we introduce mass production lines powered by electric energy. In industry 1.0, we used water steam to product
machines powered by water and steam.
Water and steam. This will help in our agriculture and handicraft business. We use success in handicraft business and agriculture business. Then we move forward 2.0, 0.2. 2.0 when we introduce our electric power in business, in corporate, even we say in industries corporate.
Yes.
After we move then we take the next slide. It will brief some.
Okay.
So this is the brief in industry 1.0 started in England in 18th century from handicraft to factory. In all days all people are make cotton clothes.
You can say cotton industry is a big.
All cloth industry in big use
In large scale.
Large scale.
And that cotton was probably imported from India.
This is a very big topic, but I consider it in this slide because this is related to our freedom also. No? When United, a British company established just for a business in India, then it ruled over the world.
Yeah. Apart from that, during that time there was exploitation of workers at that time. Over exploitation of workers.
And they work very hard and manually.
Yes.
Yeah, in India, industry 1.0 and 1.0 and 2.0 related to India's क्या कहते हैं बहुत सताया गया था इंडियंस को.
During the Indian oppression and rule by the British.
Rule by the British. This is not good for India also.
This was not good for India.
Yeah, that two industries.
Yes.
And when we talk about in later industry 3.0, it started around 1970. Digitalization and automation. When we introduce computer, not just like computer, just like that time of computer. In 17 we use supercomputer. Its size like this hall. If I am right, no?
Yeah. Very large computer.
In large computer and we just use for calculate something, wages or binary language.
Only binary language. First computer is using for calculation.
Calculation.
Binary
Only
language.
size is very huge.
No, only for a supercomputer. They use supercomputer. Then after that there is a desk.
When we realized when we
As it became more advanced.
when go Android version, just like upgrade version. This is a very upgrade version of just like when we talk about our laptop or something else. So we in 3.0 introduce computers, mobiles, software and internet, IoT. Think of internet. That could happen with
Things of internet.
Things of internet and robotic also. When we talk about 4.0, this slide I copy from.
Now we are chasing this.
We are in
No,
this
no,
field.
ma'am.
We are following this.
We are in this field.
This is a copy from Kuldeep sir, but nowadays we are in industry 5.0. So this is also proceed.
That is we are in this process and we want to achieve 5.0.
Just
Already 5.0 already implemented in some countries. Some business leaders
take over
but still as Dawat right now, Dawat in 3.0 they need to improve his
their
industry
regulation with 4.0.
Okay.
So IoT, Internet of Things, AI, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud storing without cloud computing, where we store our data in cloud without any wire or without any
VR. What is VR?
Big data.
virtual resolution.
Virtual.
And 3D printing.
3D printing
Also in 4.0, all company and all people should have to consider on sustainability. This is very much our company also.
That is the major right now. Without sustainability, big company cannot survive because everyone wants to how you
Save your
save your earth and what are you doing for our earth? What are you doing for water? And natural resources. How are you?
There is a big focus on environment, keeping
Keeping the environment
healthy.
Even
Yes,
Coca-Cola, I am talking about big companies, Coca-Cola, TCS. I meet that people and they.
I met
that people.
I met them.
I met them and they said there is a big investment in for sustainability. Coca-Cola, I met a Coca-Cola
Employee
and he said because there is a huge amount of water
Consumption
in
in one bottle of
and they
Coca-Cola.
said ki,
They said
that the quantity of water they consume, same quantity of water they produce, or they save by growing the trees or by wastage of water. They stop zero wastage of water. They have zero wastage of water, and big focus. I'm saying big focus of big companies on sustainability.
As we all know, our company also good contribution in sustainability.
We have when we adopt around. We have adopted around 12 villages. 12 villages and total from water, from schooling, from trees.
and we provide everything. Starting from
Provide
water.
everything, even our sustainability. The ceiling, Amit is sustainability head, and even the 12 village people said you can
stand on elections.
Stand on election and
Oh, stand in elections.
election and you
will win.
You will win without any
Any
Campaign.
campaigning or advertisement. just because all those villages are belongs to Bundelkhand.
They are in Bundelkhand.
They are in
There is
That is an underdeveloped area.
underdeveloped area.
massive underdeveloped area.
Very underdeveloped area.
Very underdeveloped.
Or
There is-
extremely underdeveloped.
they don't have good schools, good
Water,
studies, no.
So
for-
the
for
very good
water.
service your company is doing, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very big service to the people there. Education, water.
Around ma'am 1% of the, according to me, around 1% of the profit goes to focus
sustainability.
for sustainability.
Goes for all.
Everyone employee we sit
Teach
working there,
villages
working there.
for-
They teach by net, by online. They teach a class for
Take online classes for those
Students.
villagers student, and it is very helpful
It is
for
helpful
them.
for them?
Yes, it is very helpful for them,
And you can't believe, ma'am, there is a girl who is living in a Bundelkhand area, and the villages that are by us, and she's so poor, and her mother father is a farmer, and right now she's a doctor.
Wow, so great.
And
Thanks to your company's efforts,
Yeah.
huh?
No, we can't say only from our, because there
But
is
you
a huge-
supported, you supported.
We supported, and the last time we visit, and Anish sir gives a laptop to a girl. Right now she is maybe BSc first year, and she's spoken a very good English.
She's
also someone fly for England from
Flew to
out
England, flew to England.
flew to England for study,
Wow, that's
and
great.
all
Sponsored by.
sponsored by our sustainability team.
Wow, that's great. Their life is. I mean, they would be grateful, obviously. They would
Yeah,
be grateful.
that's why I'm saying we are working in a good way.
That's true. Yes.
So we are.
That is also sustainability, ma'am. You're teaching us.
You are teaching.
You are teaching us.
So there is.
We are not paying anything, and all working hours.
Correct, correct. Yes, of course.
That's why we are saying
We are able
Therefore, we definitely believe that we are in a good company.
We are under the good weather. Just feel like. So
Okay.
there is one more
Difference
slide for
between-
difference between 3.0 and 4.0. This is the most production process.
As far as I can say, as far as human intervention is concerned, in 3.0,
Machine
most
take,
production
machine take,
and are automated using information technology and logic processor.
last year I taken a class.
I
I took a class in IIM Lucknow.
Really?
Yeah. For 3 days. That is.
Kuldeep sir given me this PPT and I just
That is
made
related
2 or
to
3
4.0,
changes.
Industry Revolution 4.0, and there is a company, specs company name I forget.
Reliance card.
Lawrence and
Lens-
Lawrence?
This is Lens card.
Lenskart.
Lens card is a fully automated by roboted.
Lenskart company is situated at Kota, Rajasthan, and that is fully automated company. Within right now you are book order from a net from here from Delhi, and you will receive your maybe your specs will be packed within 3 hours from the company and dispatched from here.
That will be dispatched within 3 hours.
Within 3 hours you will receive.
Within within 3 hours.
Within 3 hours. And you will get within 3 hours company dispatch the material, and whatever
Customer will get
whatever the plan taken by
Manufacturing plant dispatch the material within
3 hours.
3 hours.
You can't believe when there is more than 1 lakh. What is?
Models?
No. 1 lakh this
Frames.
frames. 1 lakh frame and more than 1 lakh
Types of models. 1 lakh models of frames.
Yes, ma'am. More than 1 lakh models of frame. That is the biggest company in the world, automated company.
Okay.
Lenskart is the biggest automated company in the world right now.
Lens card or Amazon?
Lenskart related to
Specs. Glasses.
Okay, yeah. About if
Glasses.
you talk about specific
Yes, yes.
in specific industry.
In this industry. yeah.
In this
Lenskart only working for specs.
Yeah, he is the biggest.
In the world, you can't believe in Kota just like a Kota.
Quota is also good for.
No, for student,
Education.
for student it's good, na? For
Yeah.
student it's good. Otherwise,
And
that is not a metro city.
Yes,
not a metro
tier
city.
two cities.
And ma'am, there is big plant.
Huge plant.
Huge plant and
हाँ.
90%.
Kota is an educational hub.
Education hub.
The number of students is very
No,
high.
you know this word, no? Tier 2 city. Kota is a tier 2 city.
Tier
Tier-
2 city,
हाँ.
theatre.
It is called tier.
two.
It's not
Tier.
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 Level.
Also level of
Isn't it?
lives that
Tier
rise
1,
up
tier 2,
one,
tier 3.
one above
Yeah.
or other.
Yes, yes.
Then when I heard that there is a company who is the biggest company and who is fully automated, and right now they are working on a robotic usme. So that right now only 10% people and 90% is machinery in lifespan, and they are working on a 98%.
They are working towards
towards
having 90%.
They're reducing their human dependency.
Yeah.
98% on this and 2% only
on
manual.
human intervention.
Human intervention.
So,
So
And there is a ma'am, you can't believe there is a company also in Noida who
which company which?
I forgot the name. They made a robot. They made a robot and they made a robot and they export to China, export to America,
Oh, that's great.
export to China, export to America robots, and for Amazon they are also working for Amazon.
How do you pronounce this?
Robot.
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 Robot. Yeah.
Robot is also two types made us.
Why two types?
One we call robot and second is cobot.
Robot.
Cobot. COBOT.
Oh, is that also? Is it?
That is also cobot.
Let me check if it is there in this dictionary. It's not there, maybe. Anyway, so we continue with our presentation.
So in industry 4.0, most production processor use huge quantity of that data that and smart and interconnected machine that do not rely on any human intervention. Intervention. This is a major difference between
3.0 and
3.0 and 4.0 in favor of human intervention.
In relation to
In relation to human intervention.
intervention.
So this is a building block of industry 4.0, autonomous robot, simulation,
Autonomous robots.
autonomous robot, and simulation horizon. Please put down, switch off the light. And industry, Internet of Things, cyber security, additional manufacture, additive manufacturing, and augmented reality, big data analyst. When after this, when Mr.
These are the different aspects of Industry 4.0.
And also after I talk about big data analyst, when Mr. Jay Kishore Roy presented his
Will present his topic because he has not presented.
he will give you a big data analyst.
We will tell about big data, which includes SQL.
SQL. So related to industry, just like industry 4.0.
Okay.
So if we take an example about
Please move to last one.
yes, this is a robot working in Amazon. When we talk about, please.
Oh, it's already done.
This
Okay.
this is in Amazon warehouse.
Ma'am, you have to see the video of production working. If you
Put it in the group, no? If you have it, put it in the group.
We can do that. In 2015, there is no robotic function. In 2014, they used 15,000.
15,000 robots were at the time of
2014. And
Today it is almost
16.
Not today, that is the 2016.
16. But now
There is a
it's
40,
15,
Now
45,000
cobots come,
robots.
that is robots working. Now cobots come.
What is cobot?
There is a
There are multiple
difference
uses
between-
of
there is a
robot.
difference between robot and cobot. Ma'am, I think robots like a human, there is a face,
There is
there
or
is a-
hand or
and cobot is like just a machine, that is fixed only for a one or two months. They keep a box, and if box is heavy or low, then they move.
Put on.
And if this is okay, then dispatch.
Okay, okay.
So this is the robot working in
There
our
is a
Slide.
slide different.
and now this is done for my check. Thank you.